Okay guys, so I'm going to be doing something a little different for you today. I was sent by a company here on Amazon, or from Amazon, called the company that made these head wraps. It's called ZRQ. It comes in a bag like this. It's a regular bag. I got 3 different colors. I got a blue, a peachy color, and a black. So I'm going to come up with a few hairstyles, you know, just to show you if you have somewhere to go, you don't have time to get your hair together. So the first look I'm going to do, my hair is in a bun, right? So I'm just going to do a quick, simple one for you. So this is how the wrap looks. All right. It's very big, very long. Kind of sheer, right? So I'm going to fold. All right, I'm going to fold it a little bit so it won't be so long. All right, I'm going to fold it like this much. You can see where I folded it in halfway. Let's try this again. All right, that's better. And I'm just going to bring it to the front like that. I'm going to twist it, all right? Make like a twist braid. Just wrap it around my bun and tuck it in. Just make sure the ends are hiding. Just tuck it in. Let me look to see. And you just fold the ends under. That's look number 1. Nothing hard, right? Okay. Now, for the next look, if you want, you know, to have that volume at the top, and if my bun is not giving me enough, what I'm going to do is I'm getting some loose hair, and I'm just going to put it right here, right? So my bun will be more at the top. To make it easier, put it in this stocking cap, right? Since I didn't have any pins to hold it down, put it in the stocking cap like that, right? And then just use the same wrap. Bring it to the back, to the front. We're gonna wrap it once, right? And then I'm just going to twist the ends of these, right? Twist the ends. Make sure it's kind of neat. And for this one, we're just going to tie it back there. And we're just going to tuck the ends in. Tuck it, tuck it. This one is actually a little bit more secure than the first one. You know, whichever one you like better. Just make sure all the ends are in, right? Tuck it in. You could even cross it over. And that's how we're looking. Make sure you cover up your hair. That's look number 2. Okay guys, so for the third look, I'm going to use this peachy color one. So happened to match my dress. So we're gonna fold it, and I move my ponytail a little bit to the back. I don't know how it's looking, so it's not so high up to the top. And I'm going to just put this over like that. All right. Okay. Bring it to the back. I'm going to tie it. Right, and I'm just going to twist this. Hope you guys could see. I'm going to twist this and I'm just going to wrap it around my bun. Right? Twist the other side and just wrap it. Wrap it and tuck it in. I think my bun should have been a little lower, you know, but you guys get the picture, right? So all of my edges are covered. Right? Just want to make sure the edges are, you know, tucked in. Cover up my ear. That's one look. Okay. Okay guys, so for this look, as you can see, I moved my bun a little bit lower than before. And I'm just going to fold a little bit and I'm going to put it on. Right? I'm going to just cross it in the back, like twist it, but not tie it, right? I'm going to twist it like a couple times, right? Like that. And then I'm just going to twist these around. And I'm just going to wrap it around my little bun. Right? So for this one, we want our edges to be exposed. So we're just going to push it back. Make sure you know you lay your edges down. Right? Yeah. That's cute. You know, I have somewhere to go, but I don't have time to do my hair, so. What do you guys think? Okay guys, for the next one, I'm going to use the black scarf. Okay. So my hair is a little flatter than it was before. I'm just going to put this over. All right. Make it a little tight. And this time, we're just gonna put a knot right in the front. So this one's lower than the other one. You just put a knot, like a tuck. Make sure your ears are tucked in, right? I'm sure you guys have seen this one, right? My hair's a little poofy back there, so don't mind that. And that's another way. Now for the last one, we're just going to put it on like this. All right? We're gonna do a little tie. Okay, like so. So all my hair is covered, and we're gonna twist this nicely. We're gonna take this piece, put it across the front, like so, and we're gonna tuck it into the back. Right? We're gonna take this side and just cross it in the front like so. And then we're gonna just tuck this one under the side, making sure that the back part of my hair is covered. And that's another way you could wear it. And pull it down like that. Okay guys, so we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoy the 6 quick tutorial that I have for you. Let me know what you think down below. Let me know if it's something that you will try, you know, when you're on the run and you don't really have time to do your hair. You can just put on a head wrap. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and also turn on your post notification bell so you'll never miss an upload from me.